Meitei Tribe Union has submitted an official letter to both the central and the state governments urging swift action to detect, identify and deport illegal immigrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar who have settled in Manipur. The union has asked the state government, which is under President's rule, if they had taken any action regarding the order issued on May 19 by Ministry of Home Affairs to state and union territories for the verification of the credentials of suspected illegal immigrants. Speaking at a press conference held at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary Administration of the Union, Mutum Churamani, highlighted that states such as Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura have already taken up initiatives under the MHA directives. He added that according to a report, around 330 illegal immigrants were already deported from the country under Immigration Expulsion Act 1950. Churamani further emphasized that the vision of a cohesive idea of Manipur cannot be realized if the strength and presence of indigenous communities are outnumbered by illegal immigrants. Additionally, he urged the relevant authority to detect and deport illegal immigrants and demanded for the inclusion of Meitei community in scheduled tribe list.
Manipur ki hojik leiriba lakadaba sidaida Meitei se masi kamai tawbadagi aikoi Manipur ki position se kamai tawbadagi akanda Manipur dagi tangai phadana Ministry of Home Affairs na haireba illegal immigrants sing se masi khantoga deport tawgiba sima number 1 namgi oiba safeguard ama leirakanda aikoi se mapangan kanba furup ama oiminnaba matamduda aikoi ki miyam toina hainariba idea of Manipur se matam amada idea of Manipur in hairi se Meitei na mapangan solama matamda idea of Manipur sungai leiroi Meitei mapangan kanba matamda idea of Manipur tholakani idea of Manipur se laknana bagi damakta hojik aikoi Meitei ST status da restore tawba han already channa leirambani ado hojik amu hanna chalhan biu haiba wafam se Manipur gi leiriba stakeholders sing CSO sing aduwa intellectual sing tongan ba section gi media gi chil naw sing su kana gumba kari gumba mari leina ba ministry gi natraga union government ga mari leina ba sing do wari sanam matam da suksoi soidana wafam sing jet panbiu hairaga di panbina ba Meitei tribe ni mai ge appeal tawjari